It's Twin City Bridal Show week and I'm wedding guy Matthew Treadle. We can't wait to see you at the show on Sunday, but before you get there, we wanted to send you a video with all the know before you go. So, safety first. Obviously with COVID-19, we've been very adamant about working to make sure that the show is safe for you to attend. So we've been working with the state of Minnesota, the Department of Health, and the St. Paul River Center to ensure that you have an amazing experience on Sunday. So this will be unlike any bridal show you've attended before, so we wanted to give you a rundown of what you can expect when you get to the show. So first, we are going to do health screenings. We're going to ask you a series of questions just to confirm that you have not had any COVID-19 symptoms or come in contact with anybody with those symptoms. We'll also be doing quick temperature checks as well, just wanting to make sure that we keep our environment as safe as possible. Because of the mask mandate and the St. Paul River Center policy and our policy, masks are required the entire time you're attending the show. So make sure to bring your mask. If for some reason you cannot wear a mask, St. Paul River Center will provide you with a face shield, which is required. Physical distancing is also very important, and so we have created a series of floor dots, so look for these. At every exhibitor booth, there will be a floor dot for you to stand on as you're talking with the exhibitors. This will help maintain that 6-foot minimum physical distancing requirement. So this show is different in the fact that we've also instituted time slots. So you've either purchased a ticket for a 11 a.m. to 1 o'clock time slot, a 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock time slot, or a 3 o'clock to 5 o'clock time slot. Please do not arrive more than 15 minutes prior to your time slot because we want to make sure that we maintain the entire building as a safe environment, and we are limited in the number of people that we can have in the space at any given time. And so make sure that you do understand that you will have a 2-hour window to visit all of the exhibitors, and the show is split up into 2 different exhibit halls. So there's going to be Exhibit Hall A and Exhibit Hall B. You will be directed to one of those halls to start your experience, and once you've gone through that hall, you will be directed to go to the second hall. So make sure that you visit both halls before you exit the show. Show programs are being done in 2 formats. So we are having a printed program, which is our standard, but we are also providing you the opportunity to scan a QR code to get a digital program in case you would like to have a digital version and keep your experience contactless. You will also note that there are one-way aisles in the show. You will be directed through the show on a specific path. That path will allow you to visit every exhibitor in the show and also maintain physical distancing from the other attendees, creating a safe environment for you. As part of the process, our exhibitors will be wearing branded Twin Cities Bridal Show masks, so they're easy to identify. Some of the other precautions that we've instituted is we are not allowing food or beverage within the show floor itself. So concessions will not be open. Please do not bring food or beverage into the show itself. We do have a surprise for you, however. Sampling is an important part of your experience, and we will actually have takeaway samples for you to take at the end of your experience and consume once you've left the show. So definitely grab our sample bags as you depart your experience. So some of the other pieces of the process on site will be, we have a program built into our website. So you've registered with us to purchase your ticket. Make sure that you've completed a registration form and a profile on our website, because it allows you to enter a unique 4-digit code for any of the vendors that you see at the show this weekend. They'll each be wearing a lanyard like this. It will have a printed 4-digit code that's unique to their business. And so if you fall in love with that business, make sure that you favorite them on your mobile device, because it will allow you access to their profile, more photos from them, and all of their social media. It's a really great tool, and it continues to keep the experience contactless. We're also encouraging you to bring your own writing utensils. So if you are filling out forms with any of the vendors, you're utilizing a clean utensil that is your own. The other great option is if you have the opportunity to create mailing labels that would contain your wedding date, your name, your address, your phone number, and your email address. This is a great way to give all of your contact information to the vendors simply and easily. So I highly encourage you to do that as well. Next, as I mentioned, the show flow is going to be a little different in the fact that there will be 2 exhibit halls, and you will be navigating and being directed kind of on a one-way traffic pattern throughout the show. If you have any questions, we have staff on the show site to answer questions and to direct you between the 2 exhibit halls. If you have a fashion show ticket, the fashion show will actually take place in the ballroom, which is 1 level directly above the lobby space where you will check in and do your health screenings. So if you have a fashion show ticket, the fashion show is a little different as well because of the safety standards that are required and maintaining that social distancing between you and the other groups of attendees. We have created a fashion show that is cocktail table style, and so each group with a limit of 4 people will be able to use each of those cocktail tables as kind of your pod. So each pod will be socially distanced from the other groups and provide you with a safe experience to see all the amazing fashions from Flutter Bridal Co. and Diamond Bride, as well as Colby John Couture. And we're super excited to see all of the latest fashions that they're going to provide on the runway. Additionally, plan to arrive for your fashion show time 15 minutes prior so that we can get you into the space and ready for the show. Some of the other features at the show that will still be there is the inspiration station. You'll be able to see 6 amazing curated themes that incorporate decor and floral and cakes and fashion. So definitely make sure that you take a look at the inspiration station. Finally, we also have our Glam to Go experience. And so Gypsy Hair Guru will be on site. Obviously with masks, it's a little harder to do the makeup. So they are going to be doing quick updos so you can do a little hair trial at the show. Also take a chance to visit our selfie station, capture all of those moments and share them with your friends. We know with only a limit of 4 people per group, you may not have been able to bring everybody that you wanted to, but certainly share your experience with them on social media. I know that they would love to experience that with you and the fun that you have throughout your day. So with this show and COVID, everything has changed, and we still want to bring you an amazing experience. And with the fact that we have to mitigate the chance of spreading COVID-19, one of the changes that needed to happen with the show was that we needed to spread our exhibitors out. Because of this, we are also limited in the number of exhibitors that are in the show. And you can see all of the exhibitors on our website. They've been listed by category. Because of that, we are offering you all free tickets to one of our shows in 2021. So as you are navigating the rest of your wedding planning, rest assured that you'll be able to see more vendors. We want to be able to help you in every possible way as you're planning your wedding. And so we invite you back to experience one of our shows when we're hopefully able to have even more exhibitors and more fun, and maybe we can even have samples on the show floor again. So we're excited to see you on Sunday, and certainly if you have any questions or any concerns about the show, please email tickets@theweddingguys.com.